Hey BC, this is Alex from Milani Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning, here to let you know that there's government rebates available for heat pumps, which do heating and cooling in your home.
Yes, it's a great opportunity with people with furnaces, boilers, and electric baseboards to make that switch to heat pumps. Alex, how much can BC homeowners get back?
The rebates can be really high, up to $16,000.
Are there any stipulations?
There's a number of different factors to consider, such as the number of people in the house, the household annual income, the value of the home. You also have to factor in having the right kind of equipment installed that's eligible for that kind of rebate.
Oh, so it's not just a flat, simple rebate.
No, it can be a little complicated for different people, but we always make sure to walk our customers through the process so that they get the right kind of equipment that's eligible for that particular kind of rebate.
If you need more details on CleanBC rebate, give us a call at Milani.
We have a lot of knowledgeable staff that's dedicated to helping our clients get the most out of their heat pump installation.